Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this problem. If you do not shut down your computer properly, then this problem happens. So let's get started. Search for CMD. Now right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. Now type for /ntfs /x c : and now press enter. Now type for exit and press enter. Now you need to restart your system. Now your problem must be fixed. Like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.